Nike Air Max Dn WTR Anthracite is a bold fusion of performance innovation and rugged streetwear style, built to withstand unpredictable weather. Cloaked in a stealthy anthracite colorway, this winterized version of the Air Max Dn features a water-repellent upper with reinforced overlays for added durability and protection. The shoe's standout feature remains the dynamic air cushioning system, offering dual-pressure tuned air units that deliver responsive comfort with every step, even in colder climates. Reflective accents enhance visibility in low-light conditions, while a grippy outsole ensures traction on wet or slippery surfaces. Sleek, functional, and future-ready, the Air Max Dn WTR brings utility to urban exploration without compromising style. Whether you're braving the city streets in the rain or simply making a fashion-forward statement, this winter-ready silhouette is built to perform. These Air Max Dn is perfect cold-season companion for sneakerheads and everyday adventurers alike.